Hello everyone, welcome once again to the channel Level Up Learning. So guys, I hope you are enjoying and learning. Today we are going to learn about past perfect tense. So what is past perfect tense? Past perfect tense means it is talking about an action which has completed yesterday at that particular time. For example, I had eaten my lunch yesterday at 2 p.m. So now guys, let's understand the rule for using past perfect tense. Now the rule is any subject I, we, you, they, he, she, it, name of the person, still the formula will remain same. So subject plus had plus third verb plus object. So let's take an example. Geeta had felt nervous. Positive sentence, negative sentence, Geeta hadn't felt nervous. Positive question 1, had Geeta felt nervous? Negative question 1, hadn't Geeta felt nervous? Positive question 2, when had Geeta felt nervous? Why had Geeta felt nervous? And negative question 2, why hadn't Geeta felt nervous? So guys, please remember perfect tense means third verb. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye bye for now.